Tell her try your best just to make it quick. And who gon' tend to the sick? Because there must be something she can do. Recognizes this heart is broken in two. You tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory. Sing if you know words. My nightmares, and only you alone can quench these tears. My nightmares, no pain is getting worse and worse and worse. 'Cause I don't wanna see no doctor tonight. You got that, Bill? I need attendance from the nurse around the clock. Because there's no prescription for me. She's the one, my only remedy. Sing if you go to the doctors. My nightmares, only you alone can quench this tears. Our night nurse, you know what I'm talking about, night nurse, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, the pain is getting worse. Us three are in the same category, yeah? Don't wanna see no doctor tonight. We need attendance from others around the clock. Should have been the NHS song or something. Because there's no prescription for me. She's the one, my only remedy. Don't forget that little piano bit. He walks it. My nightmares, only you alone can quench this tears. Do you know Fall to the Floor? My nightmares. Do you know the beat Fall to the Floor? You do it. You do it. Can quench this tears. Try and slot it in. Can you get that in? Gregory Isaacs puts a beat in called Fall to the Floor. He drops it in the middle of the song. The drummer does. I'm only asking, don't worry. Gregory Isaacs song. Gonna mix this up a little bit now with a song that came into my life again this week. So I did a gig for people that don't like war. Does anybody like war? Put your hand up if you like war. Because I don't like war. Oh, come on. Are you a money person? Absolutely no. Now years of uneasy peace is spewing up war again. And I hope that some of you folks out there don't ever forget the horrors and the strife of human sacrifice. Come on, leaders of God's glorious earth, let there be light. So we sing what we want. We don't want no war, no, no, no. What do we want? No, no war. What do we want? We don't want no war, no, 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 no. So what do we want? No, no war. Let me tell you. Because nuclear war, it spreads disease and destruction too. As Earth and man has got the power that God gave to you. No, I'm choosing you, and you. can't live, so we sing, what do we want? We don't want no war, no, 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 no. What do we want? No, no war. What do we want? We don't want no war, no, 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 no. So what do we want? No, no war. Years of uneasy peace, spewing up war again. And I hope that some of you folks out there don't ever forget the horrors and the strife, human sacrifice. Leaders of God's glorious earth, let there be light. This is a song that's very dear to my heart. Except I've forgotten most of the verses. There was a lovely line in it. When I sing this next verse, you just think about what's going on in Ukraine and Russia. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah. So I read this story about how many young men are dying in Ukraine. And then halfway through the article, it talks about this young man from Ukraine and his cousins on the Russian side are in the same war. And that's crazy. And this is a true line. War of any kind is just an evil scene. It makes brothers kill brothers without caring, it seems. Well, it pulls up all your roots, changes destinies, makes young men get a taste for blood, like the gravities. That's why we sing, what do we want? We don't want no war, no, 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 no. What do we want? No, no war. What do we want? We don't want no war, no, 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 no. What do we want? No, no war. This song, it was written by my brother Paul. It's called What Do We Want? We Don't Want No War. If you go on the CND website, you'll find it there, or on the internet. And that's what it's about. It was written in the 80s, and there was this Cold War thing going on. Sadly, it's still very prevalent today. Christoph, if you want to go to that thing, you can do it now. I've done what I needed to do. Thank you. Something a bit less serious. Are you ready to sing? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it up about a thing, or a tick. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds before my doorstep, when we're singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, we want to hear this from you and you and you and you and you. Singing up. That's what my body wants, and singing up. No. You got it, yes. Every little thing gonna be alright. Be alright now. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, where were they? Before my doorstep, and what were they doing? Singing sweet songs, of melodies pure and true. Singing, let's sing. One more time, everybody. Here we go, you ready? Singing, don't worry about a thing. Worry about a thing, every little thing. It's gonna be all told us, don't worry, never worry, folks, about a thing. You worry about a thing now, every little thing is gonna be alright. Every little thing, more times. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Two more times, are we ready? Every little thing is gonna be alright. Big finish, everybody, here we go. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Give yourselves a massive round of applause. Good night, God bless from me. Good night. Thank you guys, that was lovely.